Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am really reevaluating some stuff. So, I have a bunch different businesses that I'm running, and sometimes that means some things get a little lost in the wind, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I ended up not being involved in my comment section for a long time because I was trying to get everything else figured out. And I'm still in the process of getting everything else figured out. Like, I had a video I was working on all day and I still couldn't finish it. And I have some other stuff that I'm dealing with banks and getting ready for my friend to come into town this upcoming week. And I'm kind of excited about that too, because I haven't seen him in a while and he's bringing his fiance and I haven't met yet. I'm not sure if my messaging is 100% clear, and I wanted your take on this if you guys have the time. So, one of the polls I conducted was, do you have some kind of exit strategy to the gig economy? Because one of the things I always say is that the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal. And to have a diversified gig portfolio and make sure you're never being too dependent on a singular source of income. And the reason why I choose exit strategy as my key word there is because we're not always going to be physically able to do all the orders ourselves. Like, business doesn't stop simply because you want to stop working for a weekend. And you should have the ability to continue to earn even if you are not there. That's why I call it an exit strategy. I don't like calling it a passive source of income because realistically, there's a lot of negative connotations that come with that, even though it's a good buzzword. I don't like calling it investing or having a side business because it has different connotations than what I'm trying to explain. So I thought exit strategy would be effective because it allows you the opportunity to continue to build something for yourself while still having an active source of income. Whether that's food delivery, whether that's maybe you're selling a product online, maybe there's some other sort of revenue that you're earning. It really depends. And that was the word I thought would be most effective for what I'm trying to explain. And maybe it's not, because one of the comments that I received was, no, I'm looking to expand with the knowledge I have gained. Why would I want to exit if it works for me? That's not an option in your poll. If it works for you, by all means, go for it. Look to expand and go for that. But what I was trying to ask was, do you have a way to expand to where you are not necessarily the person doing the deliveries? Like, the gig economy overall is going to be one of the biggest industries and is going to take over the job market. My question was not about that. It was about, okay, do you have a way to earn an income outside of just being the active person delivering? And you know what? Maybe that's not true. And you know what? Maybe you're okay with that. And if you are, that's phenomenal. I am not, though. I'm not okay with just limiting myself to what I'm currently doing. Like, I have a YouTube channel, and that's obvious. I have other ways to earn income through other gig apps, but I'm also creating some other businesses on the side. I have a course that is about building your own delivery service platform, and I'm also building my own. I'm also getting a cargo van too, but that's really not the point. The point is, I have other means to earn an income, whatever that looks like, right? Either way, that's all I was just trying to say with that. If there's a better term that would better define what exit strategy means, that's a little bit more all-encompassing and isn't just pigeonholing myself into one specific term, and is not accepting any of the negative connotations of, let's say, creating this get-rich-quick scheme that's really not. That's what I believe is a quality word, is exit strategy. I think that's a quality phrase. But regardless, if you guys are looking for an exit strategy, we do have the Build Your Own Delivery Service Provider course. So feel free to check that out. I'm not going to do the full pitch. Link's going to be in the description, though. We also have the Driven Wyld Discord server. If you're not a part of that, what are you doing? It's free to join. Just hop in. There is a paid version for those who are going to be part of the Delivery Service Provider course. That's where you're going to get more value. If you're looking for an exit strategy or looking for something with more growth and scalability, there is that. but a lot of the general stuff like gig apps are going to be free. Either way, that's really all I got for today. I just wanted to make sure that I was being as clear as possible. I'll have a more refined video by tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time.